I-SARS-ke bese seyithengisile i-Royal AM ithengisela-ke ubusinessman waseDurban. Unfortunately i-PSL i-rejectile leyo nto leyo, okuchaza ukuthi i-Royal AM is still for sale. Abanye abantu bangazama ukuyithenga cause i-board ye-PSL i-rejectile. Loko kubuhlungu kakhulu. I'm sure ama-player we-Royal AM mezwe iy'ndaba zokuthi ukhona umuntu osethenga i-team bese bajabule nabo abafana bazi ukuthi hhayi bazothola ama-salaries wabo for the first time in so many months bangaholi. Akaze baphila ngani nkosi yami, eyi kwaze kwanzima. Kodwa-ke kaze i-PSL i-rejecte ngaziphi izathu le deal lena. Mhlampe ke nazi izathu ezi-right for bona, but hey mina ngiyafisa ukuthi lento le ye-Royal AM isheshe iphele bakwethu, ukuthi ama-player azokwazi ukuthola iy'mali zabo nanokuthi bakwazi ukondla imindeni yabo, cause kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ungaholi isikhathi esingaka ungatholi nix, unless-ke if kune-arrangement between i-SARS nama-players ukuthi okay, we're gonna pay you your outstanding salaries ukuthi by the time when the team ithengiswa kahle, and then sizokwazi ukurekhupha imali yethu from imali le esizoyithola uma le team le ithengiswa, yabo. Unfortunately ke i-deal yakhona it broke down. Sobona ke going forward ukuthi khona umuntu ozoyithenga bavume, yabo.